Hey everyone, this is BLK, playing a Minecraft adventure map called Squawk's Adventure Map. Or, I don't know, it's actually called, like, Waterfall Secrets or something. Anyway, I'll put a link to it in the description. I just heard a sheep. Rules number 1, no breaking blocks, pretty standard. 2, respect the map. Honestly, I don't really know what that means. I guess I'll try and do that anyway. 3, everything in this map is possible. Okay, thank you for reassuring me. I was really worried there for a second. 4, can be done on multiplayer. I'm not though. Then peaceful. Done. Make sure to give me some feedback. Have fun, enjoy, and good luck. Okay. Secret door, no. Okay. Alright then. What is the point of this? Okay, that's odd. Room 1. Okay. Go to room 1 first. Okay. What do I do now? Huh. Hint, you need the button. Need the button? Is there a button somewhere? Is there a chest in here with a button in it? I am very confused. What? Oh. Oh. Okay. I found it. Lucky that I found that. Else I could have been in there for a very long time. Okay. Simple parkour jumps. Very easy, right? I was just saying that. Room 3. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Guess I'll go over here. 10 golden apples. Wow. Golden sounded weird. Meant to say golden apples. I can't talk sometimes. What is in this one? Don't lose this. There's another at the end if you lose it. Okay, so it doesn't really matter if I lose it. It's another one at the end. Might as well just throw this thing into the lava. Doesn't really matter, right? Oh, jeez. Okay. That's awesome. Okay. First death. That was pretty early on. Earlier than I would have liked. Would have liked to not die at all. But, you know, whatever. Guess that's asking too much. Oh boy. That's kind of embarrassing. That was just terrible. Whatever. Good thing there's another button at the end if I lose the first one, because, well, I just lost it, and, oh, got my golden apples back. That's cool. I'm gonna cheat here real quick. Okay. Thank God for too many items. Yeah, where should I go? Over here, I guess. Can I make that? Should I? Yeah, I don't think I went the right way. Just to be safe, I'm gonna... wait a second. Oh, door's over there. I got confused. Thought I was at the other end. Wait, why did I go that way? I want to go this way. Oh boy. I am not at the top of my game right now. And that's burning. Oh god, okay. Yeah, turn your creative mode on again. Sorry folks, I'm a big old cheater. Sometimes you just gotta cheat. No one wants to see me do the whole thing over again. Safe room. Hard enough? Just wait. Hint, there's a button required. Yeah, before I place the lever, and good luck. Okay, more stuff. I have a clock now. It is not nighttime, so I can't. Wait, what did that open? Oh, well, okay. That was weird. Here's the rules. More rules. Only take one minecart. Place the minecart where it's instructed. Make sure to have the golden apples. Search for hints and have fun. Okay. Simple enough. Oh, God. Okay. Just needed to stop burning there. Okay, and off we go. Oh, that was fast. Room 5. It's really dark. Hint high brightness. Am I on high brightness? Yes, I am. Hopefully you can see okay. There's minecarts in here. What? What? You will need a lever. Once you've obtained the lever, place it where the redstone torch is at the end. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, what's in here? As well, fawn. Wait. Okay. Just place the lever at the end. Gotcha. And ice jumps are so much fun. What is that? It's a hole in the wall. I don't know what that's for. Okay, and just jumped in. Not doing too good today. Kind of sucking. I haven't sucked this bad in a while. Guess it's because I'm recording. Oh, jeez. Ice jumps. Ice jumps. So much fun. Ugh. Okay, felt like I hit the ceiling.